The future perfect tense is a valuable tool for discussing health and wellness goals because it allows us to talk about the completion of an action in the future. By using this tense, we can make predictions and set goals for our fitness journey. In this tutorial, we will explore how the future perfect tense can be used to discuss future fitness goals with numerous illustrative examples. One common use of the future perfect tense in health and wellness is to predict the achievement of specific fitness milestones. For example, we can say, by the end of the year, I will have run a marathon. This sentence indicates that the speaker has a goal to complete a marathon in the future and is confident that they will achieve it by a specific time. Another way to use the future perfect tense in the context of health and wellness is to talk about the progress we expect to make towards a goal. For instance, we might say, by next summer, I will have lost 20 pounds. This sentence shows that the speaker has a plan to lose weight and is optimistic about reaching their target within a certain time frame. Furthermore, the future perfect tense can be applied to set goals for building strength and endurance. For example, we could say, in 6 months, I will have increased my bench press by 50 pounds. This sentence demonstrates the speaker's commitment to improving their physical strength and outlines a specific target they aim to achieve. Moreover, the future perfect tense can also be used to discuss habits we plan to establish for long-term health and wellness. For instance, we might say, by this time next year, I will have incorporated daily yoga practice into my routine. This statement indicates the speaker's intention to make yoga a regular part of their life for overall well-being. In conclusion, the future perfect tense is a versatile tool for predicting and setting future fitness goals in health and wellness. By using this tense, we can articulate our aspirations, track progress, and envision success in our fitness journey. With clear goals and a positive mindset, we can harness the power of the future perfect tense to shape a healthier and happier future.